everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at Matplotlib. And what we're going to really look at here is the pyplot. So we have the library, the module, and then the legend function. And then we're going to touch a little bit on labels, the attribute for the scatter plot. So alright, last time when we did this, we got our little chart of boy weight and boy height, and then we had it graphed on one chart. But that really doesn't tell us much. But before we're just going to introduce ourselves to this and look at it. So help pyplot. Oh, I got it. PLT dot legend. All right, there is a ton of stuff here. So we're just going to take a peek at it, learn about it, and then label. So like I said, there is a ton. This is just going to be a quick introduction, because this is one of the larger functions. Because I remember the first time I saw this, I'm like, how is this not a module? But this is just a function, and we know it's a function because it tells us. It's all right in the module there. It's okay because you use it like so. It'd be plt dot legend, and then boom. All right, let's close this a touch so we can still see. So all right, this is the way you label, and this goes back. So I was really worried that this might be too much in here, because we're kind of straddling the scatter plot and the, an attribute and the legend function, but we're gonna do both. All right, this is boys, and then this is label, and this goes in as a string, girls. Now this is just the plt dot legend. Run it, call it, and then here we go. So that's all we're going to do. We labeled, we called it. We'll dig into it more, but it's going to place right there with nothing. It's going to place it in the best. We'll touch on that later. But if this is the type of video you're liking, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. Real quick video today. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. Make sure you're clicking the subscribe and the notification bell. We have videos coming out all the time, and we don't want you getting behind or feeling overwhelmed. We just do micro videos, little snippets, little pieces. This is probably one of the most complex ones, because we're touching on two different areas, two different functions at the same time. Was concerned about it, but you guys are pretty sharp and doing a good job. But this is labeling and the legend function, both from the pyplot module for Matplotlib. So as always, thanks for watching. Keep the comments, questions, and video requests coming. Those are my absolute favorite. Helps me lead the channel. This is your channel. Help me take it in the direction it needs to go. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.